If you're watching this video right now, there is a very good chance that you are working a 9 to 5 or 8 hours a day, and you're probably tired of working harder and getting paid the same. If you ever felt trapped in this cycle, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into why so many people get stuck, and more importantly, how you can break free and build a business that offers financial freedom and growth. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. See, many people work jobs where they earn based on the number of hours they put in. And if you work 40 hours a week, you get paid for those hours. This means your income is limited to how much time you spent working, which can then lead to feeling stuck and unable to earn more without working long hours. See, traditional jobs often have fixed salaries or hourly wages, which means there is a limit on how much you can earn, and you can't really increase your income without working more hours. And this limits your freedom because you are tied to a schedule and can feel trapped in a routine, and therefore make it hard to pursue any other interests or make time for your family. But with the growth of the internet now, there are so many ways that you can earn an income online that don't require you to trade time for money. And this could include starting a blog, selling products online, creating a YouTube channel, and so many more. This opportunity allows you to earn an income online without actively working, which gives you freedom and flexibility. So far, if you find this video helpful, please share this with a friend who needs to hear my message. If you haven't noticed, all around the world, people are leaving their job to start an online business. And you have seen a lot of business who started this way because they were tired and sick of grinding a 9 to 5 and not getting paid enough. And they took action and pursued their interests or their hobbies to turn it into an online business. And now they have built a legacy for their family. So now that you're aware that your job is limiting you from how much you can make and what you can become, then this will lead us to the next step. What is the first thing that we need to do now to get out of this cycle? First, it might involve you identifying what your skills are, what you're passionate about. Second, go search online, see if someone else is doing the same thing that you're doing, and use it as a guideline to build your online business. Third, identify who you want to serve, what your niche is going to be, and then have a desire to pursue it. Be committed and consistent in showing up for it. Even if it's just 30 minutes a day, every little actions you take is going to get you closer to being able to walk away from that job confidently and still earning a meaningful income online. And remember, every big adventure starts with a small step. Try new things, learn from others, and don't be afraid to make mistakes, because every effort you make online can help you earn an income in the future. So if you found this video helpful and you're ready to start your online business adventure and build something awesome online, make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment what is going to be your first step. Thanks for watching, and remember, you have the power to change your future.